Okay, this is just a quick and dirty video for you TI-99ers over at AtariAge. I'm going to take an extended basic program and convert it into a bin file, well, compile it all the way through into a non-inverted cartridge file that can be loaded onto the flashRom99 and play on real iron. So, here we are. Let's get started, not waste time. This is my extended basic program. I do want to run it and make sure that it works. Oops. Try not, no typos here. I do, of course, have it set to CPU overdrive. Okay. So my game, I can run, I can drop down, collect the gun, jump over. Alright. Oh, that jump distance is too short, but that's okay. We'll fix that later. That one works. Just to show I can get through this one level. Okay. So for all intents and purposes, the game is working. So, break the game. We're going to save the game. Save dsk2.zombi. I'm going to put XB at the end so that we know that's what it is. Okay, so our XB game is saved. Now I'm going to save it in merge format. dsk2 zombi-m, comma, merge. Enter. Okay. Next thing we need to do is we need to load up Harry Wilhelm's extended basic compiler, extended basic 256D compiler. So, first we want to check our disk. It comes with classic 99. So, we go to disk 1. See how it's set to fiat files and it's set to my disk 1 in the classic 99 folder? We want to change that. Come up here, going to go to contributors, Harry Wilhelm, compiler 256D, and then just double click any one of these files. Double click that and click OK. Now it's here. Now that the disk is inserted, we got to reboot the system. For extended basic, and it should automatically load up. And it does. So we press 1 for compiler. We give it the proper name, dsk2 zombi-m. Enter. We leave the same name. Yes. -s. The routines are on disk 1. Yes. Proceed. Yes. And we're compiling. And we wait. Tick. Tock. Oh, it's slow. So let's overdrive this little. I'm having trouble. It's compiling fine. I don't get any errors or anything, but when I bring this into real iron, whether I do it through a virtual floppy disk or I do it through a flashRom99 bin file, the game is not stable. It crashes almost immediately. So I'm taking it through the entire compiling process to show exactly what I'm doing to create these files. And at some point, I'm going to send the files over to Senor Falcon for a diagnosis, I suppose. And it's making good progress. Should almost be done soon. It is compiled. Okay, so now we go into the assembler. And we keep hitting 2. So 2 to edit assembler, 2 for assembler. This is automatically filled in there, so we're going to leave that file name. It is correct. Go down here, change this to an O. Hit enter. Leave this blank. And here we're going to delete the C option and just leave the R option, and we're going to hit enter. And to proceed, we hit Alt 6 in Classic 99, which would be function F6 on the TI. Assembler is executing. Let's make sure this is still... This has a habit of resetting itself. Oh, no, it's good. Okay. And what we could see here is... Here's the contents of our disk 2 folder. And we can see the files being created down here. There's the XB file. There's the -m, the source, the object. 000 errors. Press enter to continue. Enter. Now we go into the loaders. 3. Uh-oh. No, I should reboot because I don't know how to do it from here. That's a weird option. So, cold reset. 2. And we go into the loader from here. 3. Disk 2. GMBI-O. Enter. Be patient. Keep telling myself. Loading, loading, loading. Okay. Now we're going to save in the EA5 format, so we have to enter the following. CALLLOAD. Okay, I'm not going to read out every single thing. I do have a habit of talking to myself. So, out loud. Check for typos. It looks good. Now technically you could name this anything you want. Up to 10 characters, I think. But I'm going to leave it at the defaults. Actually, yeah, I'm going to leave it at the defaults because there is no -C file, so there's nothing here in jeopardy of being overwritten. Check for typos. No typos. We're good. Yes, hit enter. And that should be it. There's my ABC file. So now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take everything. I'm not going to leave anything behind. I'm going to copy these. Copy these. I'm going to drop them to... Oh, I think I already have that here. Don't I? Yeah, here. I'm going to drop them into Module Creator on my D drive to the assembled folder. The reason why I do that is because Module Creator doesn't like long file paths, so the file path where the original files were is definitely too long. Anyway, now that they're here, the next thing I want to do is come into TI-99 directory, and because I copied the files there, they appear here. They will appear here. I guess I have to refresh this. So let's files, select another directory. We'll come here for now, and then we'll go back. That's like a roundabout way to refresh, I guess. Okay, and there's all our files. The only ones we're going to be converting are the A, B, and C's. Well, A and anything that immediately follows afterwards in correct order. We're not worried about the M, the O, the S, the XB, none of that. So we select A, Tools, Convert, File. Do we really want to? Yes. I want to come here, tools, convert, convert. Come here, tools, convert, convert. Now they're all converted, right? So we come into module creator now. We give it a name. I gotta give it zombie. Zombie assembled one. Yeah. Add title. DLMBI program. It's going to be an assembled, and we're just going to pick zombie A. That's it. Now we hit create module. Make sure nothing's checked here. We do not want an inverted paging ROM. We want this to be non-inverted. Specifically because we are doing this for the flashRom99. If you were doing this for a real cartridge that needed it, I suppose you would select this. I haven't gone down that route yet. So, create module. No errors found. That's very good. No errors found. Excellent. Press any key to continue. Everything looks great. Enter. Now, we come back to our module creator folder. And right here, zombie 1. And there's your bin file. Copy this to the flashRom99, and you should be able to play this off your real iron. That's it. That's the process I use. And it works, except when it doesn't. For this particular file, I've done this process with other programs, and they've worked. More than one, yes. I've done a music program, and I did just an animation kind of thing. And it worked, so cool beans there. This we're having trouble with, so I'm going to collect all these files, and I will submit them for closer evaluation.